Hello, welcome to another episode of MarTech Weekly. I'm William Flaiz, and I'm excited to walk you through the technologies that are actually moving the needle for enterprise marketing right now. Look, as marketing leaders, we're bombarded with revolutionary tools every day, right? But this week, I've spotted 3 developments that genuinely deserve your attention. Innovations that could transform how you engage with customers and prove marketing's value to your C-suite colleagues. From AI that's reinventing search experiences to solutions that finally connect those fragmented customer journeys to attribution that actually works in our privacy-first world. These are the technologies worth your time. Let's jump in and see what they could mean for your organization. First up, Algolia has launched what they're calling a breakthrough trifecta of AI-powered ranking capabilities. These new features are designed to revolutionize how enterprises deliver search and discovery experiences. Algolia has a new ranking system that combines semantic understanding, large language model capabilities, and personalization algorithms. This means search results aren't just based on keywords anymore, but understand user intent, contextual meaning, and individual preferences. For enterprise marketers, this represents a major leap forward in product discovery, content recommendation, and ultimately conversion optimization. I think that what makes this particularly valuable is how it addresses the growing disconnect between keyword-based search and the increasingly conversational way customers express their needs. Take Salesforce, for example. They implemented the Algolia AI ranking capabilities across their knowledge base and saw a 34% increase in self-service resolution rates. Why? Because their customers could finally search in natural language like, how do I merge duplicate accounts, instead of trying to guess the exact keywords in their documentation. In the enterprise space, where product catalogs or content libraries often contain thousands or millions of items, even minor improvements in search relevance translate directly to revenue. In my experience, I have seen that optimizing just the search experience can lead to a 22% increase in engagement with critical content. The bottom line, if your enterprise relies on search functionality to drive conversions, whether in e-commerce, content, or services, these AI-powered ranking capabilities represent a competitive advantage you can't afford to ignore. Now, if you've solved your search challenges, your next headache is probably connecting all those customer touchpoints into something that actually makes sense, right? Next, let's talk about Emplifi's launch of their new platform called Fuel, which promises to deliver an end-to-end customer journey solution for enterprise brands. Emplifi Fuel combines social media marketing, social commerce, and care solutions into a unified platform. It's designed to help enterprise brands deliver personalized experiences at every touchpoint while providing a holistic view of the customer journey. The platform integrates AI-powered insights, comprehensive analytics, and automated workflows to help marketing teams deliver consistent messaging across channels. This launch signals the next evolution of marketing platforms, moving from channel-specific tools to comprehensive ecosystem solutions that span the entire customer relationship. Why this matters is for enterprise CMOs. The promise of reducing platform sprawl while gaining a unified view of customer interactions could be transformative. We've seen firsthand how consolidating digital assets can reduce operational costs by over 50% while improving compliance and user experience. But let's be real about the integration challenges here. Implementing an end-to-end platform like Emplifi Fuel isn't a walk in the park. You're looking at significant data migration efforts, potential resistance from teams comfortable with existing tools, and the inevitable challenges of connecting to legacy systems. I spoke with the financial services CMO last month who told me their journey to unified customer data took 18 months longer than planned because they underestimated the complexity of standardizing data across disparate systems. The payoff was worth it, but the journey wasn't easy. As customer expectations continue to rise, the enterprises that can deliver cohesive experiences, from awareness through loyalty, will be the ones that capture market share. Emplifi Fuel represents an important step toward that integrated future, but go in with your eyes wide open about what the implementation really entails. So you've nailed your search experience and you're working toward unifying your customer journey. But here's the million-dollar question that keeps CMOs up at night. How do you actually prove all this investment is working? This is where our third story comes in. Finally, Branch has launched new privacy-first tools designed to boost campaign ROI in an increasingly privacy-conscious digital landscape. These new tools leverage machine learning and first-party data to provide attribution insights without relying on increasingly restricted third-party cookies and device identifiers. The solution promises to help enterprise marketers understand which channels and campaigns are driving conversions, even as traditional attribution methods become less reliable due to privacy regulations and browser changes. This is a direct response to the fundamental shifts in digital marketing caused by privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA, along with the phase-out of third-party cookies. Having led digital marketing strategies across global markets, I can tell you that attribution has become the #1 challenge for enterprise marketing teams. Without reliable attribution, budget allocation becomes guesswork rather than science. The integration challenge here isn't technical as much as it is organizational. One global CPG brand I worked with struggled to implement Branch's solution, not because of technical hurdles, but because different regional teams were using different attribution models and couldn't agree on standardization. The politics of attribution can be trickier than the technology. You'll need strong executive sponsorship to push through these organizational roadblocks. My advice? Start with a pilot in one region or business unit to demonstrate value before attempting global rollout. If you're struggling to connect marketing investments to business outcomes in this new privacy landscape, solutions like Branches may offer a path forward. The ability to maintain performance visibility while respecting customer privacy is no longer optional. It's essential for sustainable marketing success. All right, let's zoom out for a minute as we wrap up this week's MarTech Roundup. There's a pattern here that I think matters for all of us in enterprise marketing leadership. The days of disconnected point solutions are numbered. The real value now comes from technologies that balance enhanced capabilities with smart integration. It's not about adding more tools, it's about finding the right ones that work together seamlessly. Whether it's Algolia making search actually understand your customers, Emplifi finally connecting those frustrating customer journey dots, or Branch solving the attribution puzzle. These innovations share a common goal: helping you deliver better experiences while proving your marketing value to the C-suite. For those of us leading enterprise marketing teams, the question isn't whether to adopt these technologies, but how to integrate them thoughtfully into what you already have. And that means being honest about the implementation challenges we've discussed. So here's my question for you this week. Which of these 3 challenges is keeping you up at night? Search relevance, fragmented customer journeys, or attribution in a cookieless world? Drop a comment below or shoot me a direct message. I'd love to share more specific insights based on what you're tackling. I'm William Flaiz, and thanks for hanging out with me for another MarTech Weekly. Hit that subscribe button if you want these insights delivered straight to your inbox every Friday. Until next week, keep innovating.